Hello everyone, today I'm showing you an electric scooter for adults, brand OTTO Outstanding. It has exchangeable battery, Honeycomb Tire Shock-Absorbing EG60 e-scooter with road approval, eKFV e-scooter 150 kg load folding scooters for adults and teenagers. It is very popular nowadays and is very convenient for adults. And let's see the demo, which will elaborately explain everything. OTTO Outstanding electric scooter supports recharging the electric scooter anywhere, such as office, home and the public place. No need to recharge the heavy and large entire scooter. It is especially worth noting that there is a battery on the handlebars. You can remove the battery immediately and take it with you. If you need long-range riding, suggest you take one more battery which has USB phone charging port. It has lower noise, more stable riding, longer battery life and lower energy consumption. Digital LCD display, you can check the current speed, remaining power, driving distance and other content at any time. If you like my channel, please subscribe it, and if you want to visit or buy, please go to the description box and click the link for the website where you can buy. Thank you for watching. See you with the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.